coming.
Hello, George.
Hello. What a surprise to see you today.
Oh, I was just passing by and I thought of bringing my husband some food. But I have not found him on his office.
Oh, lucky he is to have such a caring wife. And sent him on an errand. He'll be back soon.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, I brought some for you too. You know, you've been a big help to me and my husband.
Oh, thank you. That's so nice of you.
Yeah. I know it's working hours and I don't wish to take much of your time. When my husband comes, tell him I just left his food on his office.
Okay, before you go, kindly pass me a file in that cabinet. Kindly. Pass me that
You mean
file.
here?
Yes.
Are you sure it's here?
Yeah, keep checking right up there.
Are you sure it's here? How dare you?
What are you slapped me inside my office?
What's going on?
And you? You're fired. Get out of my office.
But boss...
But what? You have only 10 minutes to pack your things and leave my office.
What's going on here?
Let's go, babe. Let's go.
What's going on? What's this?
Just because I didn't allow him to touch me, he has decided to fire you. Let's go. God will open more doors. Let's go. Let's just go. Let's leave, babe. Let's go. Somebody at the door? Expecting somebody?
Maybe you. Let me check.
Let's check. Where is it, honey?
Well. How is my favorite couple doing?
Dude, what's the meaning of this?
Don't panic, my friend. I'm not here to harm you. The other day in my office, you have acted as a superhero. I'm here to show her who the real hero is. Okay, you all better behave if you don't want to see your own blood flowing in this house.
You said you're here for me. What do you want?
I want you. You see, last time I tried touching you, but it never ended well. I'm here to finish what I started.
George, no!
let me just
Oh, so you want to see me being raped again? You want to see me being raped again? No,
let me just check. Just relax. Let me just check and see what's happening. Listen.
Where is that can bitch of a wife? What's this for? After everything I've done to you, treated you like my sister, and you, Adam, like my brother, and this is how you repay me?
Listen.
Listen to what? This is how you repay me? Really, Gladys?
The commotion. Listen, I will not continue allowing you to disrespect my wife in my house.
This house. This. Huh? This same house that my husband pays. George, my husband, and I helped you pay. And now your wife has the audacity to seduce my husband, and now you're accusing him of rape. You really don't know your husband. Your husband is a monster. Shut up! My husband. I trust my husband. I trust my husband. He raped me with my husband. He already told me everything. I can see today you're trying to change the story, right? You have a different story, right?
Your husband. Your husband is a rapist. You just don't know your husband.
You know what? He told me everything. That you tried to seduce him. So that you tried to seduce him. And now you're here trying to change everything in the story. Huh? Everything.
You've just been like falling dead.
Shut up! After everything my husband did to you, stop talking so ill about George. George helped you, assisted you. I can see both of you are dumpets. I don't think even there's any need to talk to both of you.
Go.
Anyway, I just came here to warn you to stay away from me. Let me go! You see what I've been telling you? Are you a weak man? Can't you fight for me?
Just relax.
I'm not relaxing! I was raped. Adam raped in our own house.
I saw it!
Did I just marry a weak man? After you witnessed me being raped, me, your wife. Now that's Lucia threatening me in my own house. Don't you love me? Don't you love me, Adam?
I love you. And you know that.
Stop it! Just man up! Man up, Adam!
God, where did I go wrong? Why me?
Teresa, you're becoming more beautiful.
Oh, thank you, sir. So you're making me feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, calm down.
Sir, please don't.
Calm down.
Please don't.
Adam.
Mr. George.
Come and clean this mess.
I never knew the kind of people you are. But now I know. I cried to you for help, but you made my situation worse. You know what? I promise you, you remember this.
Oh no. So they cast me, God.
Babe, where are you going?
None of your business.
Shit. Did you talk to me like that? Did she talk to me?
I think the best thing to do is to send all this evidence to George's wife.
Yes, hello, baby girl. I miss you so much. Yeah, I've forgotten about your gifts. I think I'll bring them today. Yeah, I can't wait to see you. Yeah. Oh, let me call you back. Let me call you back. Surprise! 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 Look who we have here. Our one and only hero.
You can say that again. I'm here to end all your stupid games.
Yeah, I've seen many like you before, but where are they now? 6 feet under the ground.
So is that a threat?
No. I don't do threats. I am a hunter. I notices the meat and make small movements till I hit my target.
Well, I am not scared of you. You hear me? You think you can escape free from all the wrongs you've been doing? Well, you messed with the wrong person. And just for a small introduction, my name is Gladys James, a DCI investigator. And so you know, you are rotting in jail.
Oh no, I'm scared, Madam DCI. Are you under influence of any drug? Or you're suffering from mental illness?
Wait till my people come and arrest you.
What are you doing? George, I don't know you as that man. Please.
Just
don't
get out
kill
of
her.
here. This doesn't concern you.
I'm not going anywhere. Till you tell me the truth.
I told you, now see for yourself the kind your husband is.
Don't push me, woman. Don't push me. Get out.
I'm not going anywhere till you answer me. Is it true that you're a rapist? You raped her, right? Huh? You're a scammer, business scammer. Huh? And cold-blood murderer. George.
Lucia, go home.
I'm not going.
Why do you want her to go? So that she doesn't know what you do? Well, today she will know the kind of man you are.
Yes.
George! I told you, you are going nowhere.
And you're the cause of this.